Initially, I had a Blackview Cloud 4K dashcam in my car, but because this is an older model that doesn't have a slot for a SIM card in order to provide an internet connection for the camera, I bought a 70 meg dashcam with a 4G kit for a SIM card. So I introduced a SIM card there, and it provides internet for this dashcam, and also this dashcam and other things in my car. But because I installed the 4G kit correctly, it drained my car battery so much that it killed it. So initially I had the red wire on a fuse that is always connected to power, and a yellow wire on a fuse that gives me power only when the engine is running. But because that killed my car battery, then I installed both the red wire and the yellow wire on a fuse that gives me power when the engine is running. So given the circumstances, I decided to change my car battery, and I went to the car dealer, who told me that the original car battery costs twice as much as any other car battery. So I decided to get this original car battery. But after I bought it and installed it, I found out that there are devices that can help you repair an old car battery. That you connect this device to an old and broken car battery, and after 24 hours the car battery is better. So there are videos online of people showing how they repaired several broken car batteries, and they measured the battery before this treatment, and then they treated the battery with a low current impulse for 24 hours, and then at the end of this treatment the car battery was better measured, and it was better. So I thought of getting such a device, but because my car battery is new now, I don't have to repair it. So I thought maybe I should test it to see how healthy it is. And there is such a device that tells you how good your car battery is. But in order to test the car battery, you need to know the CCA of the battery. And what is this CCA? It stands for cold cranking amps, and it tells you for how many seconds can the battery provide a minimum 14 volts in order to be able to start the car when the temperature is below 0 degrees outside, so below freezing point. So in other words, it tells you how likely are you to be able to start your car during winter. And according to online theories, batteries have this CCA written on them, but my battery didn't have that. My old car battery didn't have anything like that written on it, and the new car battery only says it has 520 amps, but it doesn't say anything about the CCA, cold cranking amps. And I wasn't certain if the regular amps are the same as the cold amps. So I took a picture of the old car battery, the new car battery, and I posted that on Facebook, along with the theory on CCA, asking my Facebook friends if they know anything about it, and if my new car battery has a CCA of 520. It has on it, it has 520 amps, but doesn't mean the CCA is 520. And guess what? Facebook decided to remove my post and accused me of fraud for deceiving people. case you're wondering, what was the post about? Maybe I posted some weird pictures. No, this is the first picture of my original car battery, and this is the car battery that I bought, where it says 520 amps, but it doesn't say anything about CCA. So this is what Facebook says. They decided to remove my post because it looks like I am deceiving people to take their money, property, or legal rights. So that's why I made this video, to ask you if perhaps you know any other website or app or service that I could use instead of Facebook, because right now I'm using Facebook as a library. Whenever I find an information that I consider it interesting, I save it there. I post it on Facebook in order to analyze it again later on when I have time to get a conclusion from that information. But because Facebook removed this post now and accused me of fraud, I feel like I cannot use Facebook anymore, so I'm looking for an alternative. Now, if you know one, please let me know. And please don't tell me to save my information on my computer or on my phone, because I don't have enough space to save all that information, and I prefer to use the space on my phone for other things, not to save lots of pictures with different information. And number 2, to tell you about the CCA of battery, because apparently it is very important if you live in a cold weather. And number 3, to tell you about the 70 May dash cam, and if you get one, make sure you do not install it correctly, because if you do that, you will have to change your car battery as well. So that's it. Thanks. Bye.